Tired of the 9-to-5 grind? In 2026, AI lets you earn online with minimal effort. I'll show you the laziest proven way. YouTube automation. No camera, no editing, no experience. Stick around, and I'll walk you through the exact tools and steps. If you've been paying attention lately, you'll know that AI tools are taking over the business world. With minimal time and effort, you can start making money online. Whether you're in college, running your own business, or just looking for an extra income stream, AI is here to do the hard work for you. From creating video scripts to generating voiceovers and editing videos, it's never been easier to run an online business. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech expert to make it work. One of the laziest ways to make money online is through YouTube automation, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Quick tour: 3 steps to automate YouTube with AI. Step 1. Script. Open ChatGPT, drop your topic, and get a draft in seconds. Tweak the tone. Ask for bullet points or a 60-90 second segment, then lock your script. Step 2. Voiceover. Use an AI TTS like 11 Labs. Paste text, pick a voice, export the WAV. Step 3. Assemble. Drop the VO on a simple timeline, add stock B-roll, captions, and music. No time to edit? Hire on Fiverr. Prefer DIY? Use quick templates or an AI video editor. That's the pipeline. Script, voice, assemble. Next up, how this turns into revenue. Once your video is ready, it's time to upload it to YouTube. The good news? You don't need thousands of subscribers to start earning. Even with just 500 subscribers, you can earn passive income from ads. With AI automation, you can create faceless YouTube channels that focus on trending topics. Whether you want to talk about celebrities, sports, or unique top 10 lists, AI will handle the hard work, leaving you to collect the rewards. Here's the real kicker. YouTube automation isn't just some fantasy. People are making real money with this. For example, one person earned $10,500 in 28 days on a new YouTube channel with under 600 subscribers. Another person earned $20,200 in just 14 days after posting 89 videos over 3 months. That's right, AI tools can help you go from zero to passive income in a matter of weeks. It's not just about the number of subscribers, it's about creating valuable content that people want to watch. So, how do you make sure your channel is successful? It all comes down to choosing the right niche. Some of the most profitable niches for YouTube automation include celebrity news, always a hot topic, top 10 lists, people love ranking things, older audiences, targeting people over 35, the health niche, TV show recaps, retro content, and even anime are other great choices. The point is, focus on what people want to watch, and use AI to automate the rest. So, there you have it. YouTube automation using AI is one of the easiest and laziest ways to make money online in 2026. With tools like ChatGPT for scripting, 11 Labs for voiceovers, and Fiverr for video editing, you can start making money without breaking a sweat. And remember, consistency is key. The more videos you upload, the more chances you have to earn passive income. It may take a little time to gain traction, but if you stay committed, you'll see the results. What niche are you thinking of starting your YouTube channel in? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to make money online using AI. And if you're ready to start your journey to passive income, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.